Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Obviously you've watched some of the other videos. We are working our way to the seat belts on this car today. We replaced the knee one. And we're going to replace this one. It's a 2020 Outback, premium, but touring, all the other models are the same. But we're going to replace this driver's seat belt. We got a new one from the dealer. They're not that bad. They're about 120 bucks. Don't get them fixed. It's dangerous. So first things first, there's that front molding needs to come off on the front. Come around the corner, I'll show you. This guy needs to come off. You just grab it from the bottom anywhere and just pull up. It's cold, so I think everything is just leave that here. You pull this rubber seal right here. Oh, out of the way. Put it like here, like so. Get that out of the way. And then, same has to be done on this side. This bottom seat. If you go around the other side, I'll show you. Bottom seat has a little. Right here, let me show you. Right here. See this? You gotta pull this, and then this little thing slides out, because you gotta get this guy out of the way. Haha. Okay. That also needs to come out of the way. Then you pull this guy out of the way. Put that over here. Now this guy has to come out, and it's just it's really cold in the morning, so nothing wants to pop. But let me get to it. Okay, there he goes. Okay. Boom. I'll put that over here. Put in place so you don't scratch up anything. Here's your seat belt. Looks like we need to remove this guy as well. It's number 10 down here. This thing just slides down. Oh, it has a clip. Are you serious? Let me get a clip remover. Make my life easier. A panel popper, clip remover. Woo! Where'd that clip go? Oh, it's right here. It's this guy up here. Slide back in. Okay. 14 right here. I brought this and break it. There's a 14 down here. Break that. Then you can unplug it right here. Lift up the yellow little hole right here, see it and lift up, and then it should pop out like that. Okay, there's a 10 right here. Take that 10 out. These are new. There's another one on this side. I never knew about that. This guy right here. I'll put this back in there. Okay. Okay. Got that loose. Now, pull the seat back, and there's another connector right here. Look at that. Right here. Pull them like that, and then just like that. That's out. There's another 14 right there. Okay. That was pretty interesting. So I'm assuming that this goes through here. Through here. Will this go through there too? It will, but you're gonna have to take this bolt out. Yeah, I don't see any other way to come out. This has to go through here. And that bolt needs to come out. That means this washer just to come out. It's gonna be hard to get that washer out. That last, this second, that first, and then the bolt. Okay. Now I'm assuming okay. There's a bad belt. So, here's a new one. And I just don't see any way this is going back in without removing that bolt either. So, it's like 35, 40 degrees out here today, and it's cold. But once I move my fingers, I'm just keep that like that and like that. And this goes through here. I should get it in the right way, or else this, in order for this thing to retract, it's got to be in the right position for it to open up like that. It's got like a little sensor inside of it. I'm gonna put this guy in first, I think would be the wise thing to do. Okay. So with that in, this guy will go back into its place, just like so. Okay, leave that loose. Make sure you get this tin in here. One click there. One click there. Okay. So then assuming all this goes up there, if I turn this way, I'll turn that way. Okay, so here's the tricky part. This stupid thingy has to fit into here, so I can squeeze it. So not quite in a spot. Make sure that works for you guys. Get too crazy with everything. Put that tin in there. Okay guys, we're downhill from here. And then this has to go this way. And this rubber thing that's in here can come out, as a new one came with it. Oh, make sure that this goes back in. Bolt, and then washer, big washer, and then this guy. Like that. Oh shit. That has to go in. Come on, carpet. Perfect. Okay, this is my important right here. Make sure that all these get put in all the way, and then this guy can make sure that this thing's straight and it fully functions before you get ahead of yourself. You hear the click, click. I'll put the clip right here.
Take Abraham's left back over there.
Yeah, good idea.
It's in the way.
Piece of thing is broken in here. Little clip's broken, which I'm not happy about. So, try to put this guy back in. There he goes. Put that in there, and then perfect. All right. Okay. All three of these guys are in. This is in. This is fully functional. This is in. This is in. This is in. This is in up here. Looks good. Put this piece back on. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. There's a clip down here. Yeah, that one will line me up pretty much. On that side. Boom, boom. We're in. You can go ahead and put these guys back. Slides in this groove right here. They'll go back really easy. This piece can go back on. You got these white things. They clip into here. Don't force it. It will break. It goes in very simple. You can actually see it. Look at that. Okay. Something doesn't feel right up there. Oh, that piece goes in the. Okay, there it goes. Okay, and then this side, this piece. If you're doing both seat belts, just take this bottom seat completely out of the way. Very, very, very easy. Lift this up so you can get it all the way in here. You gotta put the. You know what? I'm actually not going to put this in because these belts back here also need to be replaced, and I'm going to take these back off. So we'll put this on afterwards at the end, but it goes right here. That's it.